So, you guys might have seen this advertisement for what looks like a really good quality lightsaber. That's been on Facebook a lot lately. That's normally you'd pay like $1,000 for, but it was only $30. So I thought, well, it's a low enough cost that if it's worth taking the risk. So I ordered one. It just arrived, and it is very light. So here we are. We're unboxing what I'm going to call the Facebook lightsaber. Okay. What even? Yeah, okay. So this is a Toys brand name toy. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna post this video as a comment on those advertisements so people can see it's a scam. There's just some kind of foil inside. And this is just like, this is the cheapest plastic. There are lights in there. Oh, this is awful.
Does it even come with batteries?
No, I don't think so. It's definitely not heavy enough. But there's a button. And the end is all busted. Yeah. This is not as advertised, Facebook.
False advertisement.
Jimmy out!